we organised a cattle muster like this, we'd all get the sack.
Yeah, I've seen better organised duck raffles in country pubs.
Hardly never expected so many volunteers. It'll take 'em months to get organised.
We won't miss out, will we?
We'll make it. Geez, I remember a big muster up on the Barcoo. That was organisation for you. We had, 100,000 woolies coming in?
Oh, here we go.
No, fair dinkum. They were coming in from 100 mile around. They kicked up so much dust, we had to shear by lamplight in the middle of the day.
Right, you lot, on your feet. On your feet, I said. Look sharp. Do any of you blokes know anything about music?
Well, I studied a little, sir.
Good. You and your mate shift that piano into the officers' mess. Get on your way.
First lesson, never volunteer for anything. Good on you, Marty.